In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the purchase returns. Let's say that we have purchased something from the vendor. In this case, it's Star Textiles. We purchased the cloth, but we found some of the cloth not in the right quality, or maybe there is some defect. And now we want to return that. Let's see how we can deal with this in Sage. So what we will do is just go to the vendors and purchases section. And from here, just click on the credit and returns option. And here, click on new vendor credit memo. And here, the format is exactly the same as we entered the purchase invoice, sales invoice, and all the other templates are pretty much the same. So purchase return is against Star Textiles. Let's select Star Textiles from here. And the date of transaction is 30th of January. So let's make it 30th. Due date is automatically set, but make sure it is not earlier than the transaction date. So it's set to March, that's fine. Credit number, if you have any credit number, you can mention here. Now we want to apply this against an invoice. So if we select the vendor and this area turns gray, that means we have the invoices as well in the background. So we have these invoices against which we can apply the credit. So let's select 2003. This is beginning balance. Let's select the other one, which is this item. So earlier we purchased 25,000 in quantity. And now we are returning 500 out of that. Let's visit that transaction as well of Star Textiles. Purchase order was placed of cloth B to Star Textiles of 40,000 meters. Against that, we received 25,000. So the actual bill or the inventory is 25,000 that we have. And now we want to return it. 500 is the return amount. Ledger is already selected. Rate is selected as well. This makes the total to 75,000. All set, but before even entering or saving this, we can click journal entry to check the journal entry effect. Once we return the item back, the inventory should reduce because we have returned it back to the vendor. And against that, since we have to pay less to the vendor now, accounts payable or the liability account should also reduce. So that's debit. So that's how we deal with the purchase returns in Sage. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.